So far, corporation has already approved 92 cards, and the zones which we have identified that can accommodate 92 cards. We have proposed 5-6 hawkers zones and number of cards which will be stationed over there. This discussion is only for movable cards, not for stationary cards. And there is a list of 92 approved cards. That decision was taken by the corporation. It was put before town vending committee for discussion, and today's meeting has been very cordial. And we have also discussed the timing of operations. 11 p.m. is the last time when they have to shut down their operation.
गाड्यां खातीर स्पेशल नंबर प्लेटी आसात. काय नेम घाल्यात. नेम मोडटल्यांचेर खंय पुलीस आनी ट्रॅफिक पुलिशेक एक्शन घेवंक सांगल्या.
We have finalized a design in which there will be cart number, there will be license number, the person to which that license has been given, and the specific purpose, whether it's for snacks or it's for cold drinks, that is also mentioned. Okay, and this list we will share with traffic police as well as local police station, and our inspectors will also have that list, and they'll go for frequent random inspection.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुकाराम मराठे.